Welcome! This tutorial will walk you through completing a juried assessment. First, enter TK20 by going to your portal and clicking the TK20 button. In the TK20 homepage, under the Pending Tasks section, there will be a list of juried assessments assigned to you. Click on the juried assessment that you would like to begin. This will take you to the main screen for that juried assessment, and you will see a list of items to be assessed. This sample list shows consecutive numbers, Student 1, Student 2, and Student 3. You may notice that the list on your screen has missing numbers. For example, it may start with Student 3, then skip to Student 6, then have Student 7 and 8. That is normal because in a typical juried assessment, you will not see every item being assessed, just a random sample. Click on the first item in the list and a split screen will open. The left-hand side shows the document you are currently assessing and links to view or download the document. Not all documents will have a view and annotate option. If the document you're reviewing does have this option, you can click on it to view the document on the left side of the split screen. You can resize this to see more by dragging the middle bar. If the document you're reviewing does not have a View and Annotate button, or you prefer to open the document in a different window, click the Download link. As you review the document, fill in your scores and assessment on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you are finished scoring, click the Submit Next button to save this assessment and automatically move to the next document. Now that you are on the next document, you may need to scroll back up on your screen to see the next document. If you need to stop at some point before you finished all of the documents, just click Submit if you're done with this particular document, or Save Draft if you're not. Your screen may look blank at this point, but this is another situation where you just need to scroll up to the top of the window. If you need to make changes to an assessment after you've submitted it, click on that item, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and click Revoke Assessment. You will then be able to adjust the scores and other information you entered previously. When you're done making adjustments, click Submit, and you will be returned to the main screen for this juried assessment. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like any assistance in doing a juried assessment, feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help.